Hey, how you doing?
Good, yourself?
Good, good. Is it locked?
Yes, it is.
I see. And I will guess it's under your name?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I will open it. We will have to check the paperwork, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's pick it. Okay, let it beep, it will stop in a second, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Let's try to program it now. The alarm is so noisy. Well, let's do manual selection. North America 200. Smart key. Okay, now is the tricky part. Okay, let's give it a try. Nice. Okay, let's give it a try. Lock, unlock, start.
Yes.
Okay, nice, we're good to go. Don't lose it again, have a good one.